Alright, welcome once again to Akono's YouTube channel. Today you have a question to look at. Write a C++ program that reads in strings from the user and checks if it's equal to the string hello using the equality operator. If it is equal, print hello to the screen, otherwise print goodbye. Let's create a file for the code. So follow me on the screen. Then you come to file over here. Then you select your C++, go, next, and over here you select where you want to save the file. Okay, then the name. Then you type the name. Okay, so let's save this as ABC. Then you come to save. You see all this on your screen. We have finished. Okay, so now the screen is ready for you to write your code. For us not to waste much time, let's start with the code. I already have the code, so I will explain everything for you step by step. Okay, so we have our code over here. The first and the second, we have #include iOS string. The second is #include strings. So these are the libraries. Then we come to the using namespace std. Okay, this is where the main program starts. Int main, then we have void. Okay, so because we are using strings, because we'll be using word, that's why we have these strings over here. So the strings over here, we have string word. Okay, now we have C out and C into. So because of this C in and C out that we need over here, that's why we have included the IO string over here, which helps us to use this C out and C in. Okay, so we have enter a word. So because of the C out over here, the user will see enter a word when the user is going to use it. And the C in over here, whatever the user will type will be saved as a word, as the word over here will be saved as a word. So that's what the computer will now understand. The if also over here is a condition. So we are telling you that if word, what the person has put inside the word is equal to hello, then see out, that means what the person will see is hello, then it will end. Else, we have else over here, which is telling us that if not, then see out should be what? Goodbye. Then we have the return to 0, which ends the program. Okay, so now let's compile and run the code and see if our code is working as it's supposed to work. So we have our run over here. So it will take some few minutes before it will come. So let's take some time. Okay, so now we have compiled and run the code successfully. But now let's see if what we are looking for will get what exactly we are looking for. So let's type some word. Let's say, okay, so it's asking us to enter a word. So let's type Mavis. Okay, then enter. Goodbye. He said goodbye because that's not what we are looking for. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, so it has run. So let's type hello, enter. Okay, so we have our results as we needed. So that's the end of it. Thank you very much.